tech enthusiasts and smartphone lovers. Welcome to our channel, where we embark on a journey through the fascinating world of technology. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a topic that's shaped the way we interact with our smartphones, the evolution of mobile operating systems. Mobile operating systems aren't just the brains behind our devices, they're the architects of the digital age. Join us as we explore the remarkable journey of mobile OS development. Let's start with the basics. A mobile operating system, or mobile OS, is the software that runs on smartphones and tablets, managing hardware and providing essential services. So, why is the evolution of mobile OSs so fascinating? It all began with simplicity. Early mobile OSs were basic, providing calls and texts. Think Nokia's Symbian and BlackBerry's OS. Apple's iOS changed the game. The iPhone's iOS brought touch-friendly interfaces and an app store, transforming the smartphone landscape. Android offers diversity. Android's open-source nature led to a plethora of devices and customizations. Windows Mobile had its era. Microsoft's mobile OS once had a significant market presence. Modern mobile OSs are powerhouses. iOS and Android are now sophisticated, offering app ecosystems, security, and seamless user experiences. And there you have it, the evolution of mobile operating systems. It's a journey from simplicity to sophistication, from basic phones to powerful pocket-sized computers. If you found this exploration of mobile OS evolution as fascinating as we did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your tech-savvy friends. Thanks for watching, and may your mobile OS always keep up with your digital adventures.